Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Epic Games when it keeps crashing. First, locate the Epic Games launcher on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Epic Games icon and select Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where Epic Games is installed. Once you are there, right-click on the Epic Games launcher file again and select Properties. A small window will open. Look for the Compatibility tab. In this tab, check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Now try opening Epic Games again to see if it works. If Epic Games still crashes after running it as administrator, the next step is to check for Windows updates. Click on the Start menu and search for Updates and click on Check for Updates. If there are any updates available, install them and restart your computer. Another method you can try is updating your GPU drivers. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer. This could be NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Find the driver section and download the latest version for your GPU. Install the driver and restart your computer. Updated drivers can improve compatibility and performance for games and applications. Finally, consider closing background apps before opening Epic Games. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for programs running in the background that you do not need. Right-click on them and select End Task. These steps should help you fix Epic Games crashing. Thanks for watching.